Okay, so I just received this parcel from Amit sir. I've bought group 2 classes from him. So he sent me this box with full of books and whatnot. Let's check it out. Okay, so the box contains pocketbooks as he said. These are the pocketbooks which are very useful for the revision when we just have 1 week or 1 month of time to prepare for exams. It's basically for 3 subjects. I bought it for 3 of those: securities market and financial and strategic management and corporate accounting, as you know. And then he sent a box of ink, as he mentioned. Wow, I don't know who's gonna use the box of ink. And then here we go, books. Let's keep it inside. Okay, these are the books: capital markets, financial management. I think each subject has 2 books. Let's keep inside. And okay, all right. And this is for corporate accounting and securities law and strategic management. And here we go. I was very excited for this schedule or daily planner, whatever you call. This is so good. This is rewritable, and I think he also sent me a pen with this. Let's keep that way. And this is for my management accounting final book. And let's see if we got a pen. Yeah, we got a pen also with this mid toddler classes. So yeah, this is what we received in the box. I bought it last week and I received very quickly. There was no delay because of any festival or something like that. They sent it very quickly. I got a number. They sent me the parcel number or tracker number, whatever it is called, and I tracked it. And within 3 or 4 days after dispatching, I received it through DTDC. Yeah, and now I'm gonna tell you how the classes are actually, because I purchased these classes of module 2. Of course, he only teaches module 2, so let's know about how he teaches also. So as I told you before, I purchased classes from Amit Talda sir, and I purchased all the 3 classes he provides. And he only teaches for these offline batches. I mean, not batches, only offline lectures he provides. So he provides all the 3 subjects, not EBCL. EBCL is excluded. If you are a student who is looking for all the 4 subjects, then I'm so sorry, you won't get those here. You can buy all the 3 subjects, and he's so good at that. His teaching style is amazing, really. Because I've purchased them like recently, 1 week ago, and as I show you the books, I've got those books, and I started listening to the classes, studying and stuff. And I was worried that I forgot the basics because I'm a commerce student and I know how to uh, all this stuff, like commerce students know that balance sheet, trial balance, and golden rules of accounting and etc. and stuff. In CS, it's in depth, not like like 12th or 11th class or any commerce student who have graduated. So I was very worried about that. But his teaching style is like amazing, guys. You can rely on my opinion. uh, he teaches very good. I started listening to his lectures, and he was literally teaching me the golden rules of the accounting and how to enter the ledgers and how to journalize, how the subsidiary works, how subsidiary books works, and how bookkeeping works, and where and what it is, every single thing in very in-depth style. So if you are from science background, then go ahead. You need to purchase them. You really need to purchase them because it's very in-depth subject. A lot of people think that group 2 is very easy comparatively to group 1, because a lot of people fail in group 1 especially because it's very hard. Company law and tax law and JIGL etc are okay, you can manage, but it's tough. When it comes to group 2, it's kind of easy. People say that it's kind of easy, but if you are from science background, then go ahead, get those classes. You can't do self study if you are from science background because you need in-depth knowledge on CMA and FM. So yeah, I received these sheets after purchasing the classes. This is for CMA. They provide 3 schedules for every single lecture. I mean every single subject. 3 schedules. You can choose whatever you think it will fit you. So I chose SLGM 75 days plan, and for CMA 64 days plan, and then for FM and SM 39 days plan. So you can choose wisely. If you can give 12 hours a day every single day till 2 months, then you can choose 4 hours or 3 hours, 2 hours a day, like that respectively of CMA, FSM and SLCM. If you want to do self study, if you are from commerce background, then yeah, it can be manageable if you watch his own lectures on YouTube and revision lectures, stuff like that. But if you want in-depth knowledge, you need to go for the classes, definitely, no doubt, because if you are from science background, it will be very difficult to understand. If you're from commerce, then you just need to revise. But I recommend you guys to purchase the books and his lectures. I purchased these 3 lectures in 12,000 rupees. Some offer is going on, like early bird something. So I grabbed that offer and purchased them. And yeah, I forgot to mention about the service of classes. So I purchased these classes and I faced an issue regarding the software installation and stuff. So the service providers helped a lot. So the service provider who provides these softwares and the installation process and etc are very good. They literally called me and sent me videos and etc how to install the software, and yes, it works both on Mac and Windows. So you don't need to worry if you have an Mac or iMac or Windows computer, iPhone or Android phone. It works on every single thing, and the service is very good. They respond very quickly, except on Saturdays and Sundays, I think, or Sundays. And yeah, they create a WhatsApp group for the people who purchased all the classes. So they add you in the group, and sir himself solves our doubts. And as he said on his YouTube channel, he really support us, and he provides all the lectures, amendment classes, and update us with every single ICSI thing which we forgot in studying and busy schedule, because some people attend to college and also prepare for company secretary. So people are not up to date with the schedules like ODOP and uh, pre-exam and registration fees, etc. So he also posts those videos and help us with everything. So yeah, I prefer his classes for group 2, because EBCL, if a lot of people think what about EBCL, EBCL कैसे करे, कैसे पढ़ाई करे. I prefer YouTube lectures are okay for me because I'm a self-study student for EBCL. And last time I also gave my attempt after doing self-study only. So results are not out yet. So don't worry. I don't know if I'm fail or pass. I don't know. I hope I'll pass, hopefully. And yeah, so I thought CMA और FM के लिए तो चाहिए ही चाहिए क्लासेस, क्योंकि इट्स वेरी वास्ट एंड वेरी इन डेप्थ सब्जेक्ट. MCQ है, इसीलिए खरीदना है भाई. लोग सोचेंगे कि भाई MCQ ही है, क्या पढ़ लो और अटेम्प्ट कर दो कुछ भी. नहीं भाई, नहीं हो पाएगा. MCQ इज़ वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड थिंग. उधर जाने के बाद तुमको छोटा छोटा पॉइंट भी ध्यान में रख के आंसर करना पड़ता है. So yeah, I obviously recommend classes even from any lecturer. तुमको ऐसा ही नहीं है कि इन्हीं से खरीदो या कुछ. So yeah, I hope this helps you very much, and rest of is depending on you. If you want to purchase his classes, then go ahead. If you want to self study, then try it. If you couldn't, then go ahead and purchase it. I hope he extends the offer because the last date is 15th, I think. So 2 days left.